Alright, Aaron, this one's for you. And make sure you show it to Dennis. This is the find of the weekend at Vintage Days, Mid-Ohio, Lexington, Ohio. This, have no idea what it is. It's not a Honda, even though there's some Honda decals on it, on the side and the other side. It's got a fiberglass body. It's definitely a trials bike. It's 50cc though. It's got 2 speeds, manual clutch. It's got a gigantic rear sprocket on it, so it's geared for climbing. The motor has the kickstart on the other side here, on the left side where the shifter is. No idea who makes it. The exhaust is actually the frame. It goes up into the frame. It's part of the frame. And the gas tank is above that. It has some different kind of stylings, some different bikes. We're going to do a little startup test here. Maybe some of you people out there who know with the mini motos, the trials bikes, maybe you guys know what this is. You could email me, tell me what it is. But we're going to do a little startup, so hear how it runs, okay? Well, there she is. She's kind of loud. Like I said, the exhaust is in the frame.